Hi guys, here we are on the delivery trail. We are where you want us to be on your location. Today, I'm with the lovely Miss Miller. And guess what? She's a businesswoman. We love her. She is doing a restaurant. This is the second one. What's the name of the first one?
Island Cuisine Ochoreas Limited.
Nice. You do jerk chicken? What is it that you do there?
We
You
do
specialize in?
Jamaican dishes and international dishes.
Oh, and international dishes as well?
Yes, breakfast as well. Pancakes, eggs, waffles.
Okay. Where in Ocho are you though?
Right is upstairs Sandcastle, near Turtle Tower.
How long you been there?
This is my second year in business.
Oh, all right, good. You're a newbie.
Yeah.
How you liking it so far though?
Challenging.
Challenging. The challenge is good. It means you're trying.
That's true.
So how did you start shipping with us?
A friend of mine in Charlotte, North Carolina, I was looking for a shipping company and she introduced me to Kevin.
Oh.
And this is where my journey started.
Okay, so I shouldn't bother to ask why.
No.
Just because of friendship.
No, good service.
Oh.
The best customer service
All right.
ever.
I think we did well.
Okay.